In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a song from a simple prompt. If you want to turn a quick idea into music in just a few moments, this process is very simple and beginner-friendly. You do not need to overthink it. The tool is designed to take a short description and transform it into original musical results. So the most important part is giving it a clear idea to work with. To begin, go to the home screen and tap Create. This is where you start a new generation. If you are not sure where to look, take a moment to find the main creation area on the screen before moving on. Starting from the Create section, make sure you are entering your idea in the right place and setting up a fresh music request. Once you are there, type your song idea into the prompt box. This is where you describe the kind of song you want the system to make. For example, you might enter something like an upbeat synth-pop song about morning coffee. The more clearly you describe the mood, style, or theme, the better the result is likely to match what you have in mind. You do not need to write a long paragraph. A short, focused prompt usually works well, especially if it includes a genre, an energy level, and a subject or vibe. As you write your prompt, try to be specific without making it too complicated. Think about what you want the song to feel like. Is it energetic, emotional, dreamy, or playful? A well-written prompt gives the generator a stronger creative direction and can help you get results that feel closer to your original idea. After entering your prompt, click Create. The system will then generate two distinct variations based on your description. This is helpful because it gives you more than one interpretation of the same idea. One version might lean more into the mood, while the other might emphasize the style or rhythm. Having two options makes it easier to compare and decide which direction you like best. Once the variations appear, listen closely to both of them and pay attention to how each one captures your prompt. Even though they come from the same idea, they